welcome back. Today's video I'm going to make a pen. It's going to be a racing car pen. It's a kit that I got from Axminster. Let's get on with it. So this is the pen kit and this is the bushing set. So like I said, it comes from Axminster, and if you want to get this pen kit, just go onto their website and enter 104353 for the pen kit, and then if you need the bushing set to make this pen, it's 104365. So this is a stylus pen, and it's a clicky pen, so there's some little bits there that look like tyres to me. There's the tube, some decorative start and finish lines. There's the cartridge. Now that's the tip, so that's the stylus part there, so the pen comes through the centre of that, so that looks quite handy. And this is the mechanism at the top, the clicky bit, and if you have a look at that, it has a racing car steering wheel on the clip. So let's get on. Oh no. So the blank I chose to make this pen is this, again from Axminster. So if you want this blank, it's a 952595. But they do plenty of different types. I've got some more here, and some other ones they've been put away. But yes, have a look. I don't use all of this. I think about half of this I use. So this blank here will actually make 2 pens. So there, let's get going. So, cut the blank to size, drill a 3/8 drill, a 3/8 hole through the centre with the 3/8 drill, score up your tube, mix up some epoxy resin, smother the tube with the epoxy resin, it could be quite generous with the glue, it doesn't really matter. Pop it in there before we just push the tube into the centre. We'll just smother the end and push it in. Just slightly below the surface there, and just slightly below the surface there. That's it. Now we'll just wait for that to dry. So this is where it all starts to come together. That is stunning. I love that. So now this pen is really different to all the others I've ever made. So I'm going to start with the threaded end pushing onto here. And if you can hear my fans in the background, I do apologise, but it is, what's the temperature in here? 31 degrees in here at the moment, so I'm hot. So let's push that in there as my tyres run off underneath. Let's have a look. There it is. Like so. So that's pushed in there. Then the tyres go on here, and then this pushes on the other side. Now I could push that on at the same time as pushing it into the end of here, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to be a little bit careful. So I think one more back there. Let's give that a little squeeze. There we go. So that's that section done. Next bit is to join the tube onto here. Sorry if you can't see, I need to make sure it's lined up. Pushed in lovely. Just like so. Beautiful. Next is to put this bit on here, but we've got the clicky bit in the way and we don't want to damage that. So unscrew this. Now be careful. I think, yes, there is a spring but just behind. So let's get rid of the spring. Try not to lose it. So now that's a hard piece to push so we don't damage the mechanism. So that goes into there. Move this back one, I think, like so. And let's push this one home, like so. There. Now, this just threads onto there, but we need to put this in. Make sure you've got the spring on the end there. Yes, I know I haven't done the clicky bit, but I need that in there, like so, to push this end up. Put the spring back in, put the button back on, give it a little twist, and there we go. Wow. That is beautiful. And it's a stylus, so I can sit there and use it on my iPad, and it's also a pen. So there you go. There's the racing car pen from Axminster. I'll leave all the details in the description below, but I can't believe it, from that to that. That's amazing. That is stunning. I'm over the moon with this pen. If you agree with me, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a little comment below. Tell me what you think of this pen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.